back to the woods this evening. I'm going to change it up a little bit and go to a different place tonight, and hopefully the wind will be a little bit better for us this evening. The other stand, it's blowing terrible for it. So this other place, it's going to be right on the line of good enough, but I think with the sun going down, the thermals will be pulling it back down the hill too. So I believe should give us enough of a window for stuff to come in and not bust us with the wind. So I'm gonna get up here and get in the woods and see what happens. Hopefully have something come in. I hadn't had nothing come in on the camera yet today, so hopefully they move this evening. And looks like the wind's supposed to die down a little bit more before dark. So as long as that stays true, they should be able to move it this evening, hopefully. So I'm gonna get up here and get in the woods and see what happens. Well, we made it up here. I'm gonna try to get up here in the woods. Got everything on. Got the bow ready. So, a pretty good little walk here. So, I'm gonna try to be quiet. The wind's blowing, so might cover our sound a little bit, which will be good. So, we'll head in here and hopefully we see something this evening. Well, we're in the stand this evening. Looks like it rained up here a little bit earlier. Everything's a little bit wet, so I was able to sneak in pretty quiet and get set up. So hopefully the wind switches directions. It's kind of on the edge right now if it's going to be good tonight or not. But according to the forecast, it looks like it's supposed to switch and come out of the north a little bit, so if it does, then that's gonna be a big thing this evening. So I'm gonna get settled in here and hopefully something comes out. Like I said, my big camera's down, so I don't know how much in between footage I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna put my GoPro on my bow and hopefully get enough video if something comes in. So I'm gonna do what we can. had two come in and bed down below me for about 45 yards. They've been bedded there for several hours now. They'd get up and feed around for a minute, bed back down. And some blue jays started chirping. They got up, kind of spooked off a little bit, but they ended up working back in. And then a big doe come in and took her forever. They've been feeding on acorns. And they fed all the way around. And I was just barely able to squeeze off a shot. About 32 yards. And she's down, hopefully. I'm gonna give her just a minute and go down there and check on her. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I love bow hunting. I do this for the meat for our family. It's pretty much what we eat year round is deer meat, so I know I may shoot small deer, but every once in a while God will bless me with a big one. But the Lord provides for food for the family and saves a lot of money through the year if you can get out in the woods and just harvest a few deer and sit out here. And it is a blast. Anytime you can get out in the woods and just sit and watch what God's created is amazing. So, I didn't know if I was going to get them or not. My wind's been kind of blowing east most of the evening. And every once in a while it kind of died down. The thermals are starting to pull back down the ridge a little bit. So I was afraid they was going to wind me, but it worked out. Lord let it happen, so yes. Thank you, Lord. Alright guys, well, we found her. She just dropped, like I said, and she kind of rolled off down the hill a little bit, but shot was good on the other side. She just ducked and rolled a little bit, and it got her spine and dropped her, but big old doe, so happy with that. Got it dragged down the hill here. Had it up pretty quick right there at the end. Had a pretty good sized bear come right under my tree. I mean, like 2 foot away from the bottom of my tree. So just in case she wasn't dead, I went ahead and got down and come down and found her and got her dragged out here just so he didn't get a hold of her before I could have a chance to find her. So I'm gonna try to gut her and everything, and already got her tagged, so I'm gonna try to get her gutted and loaded on the truck and get to the house. It's been a good hunt and seen several deer and that bear, so it was an exciting evening. So thank the Lord for a good deer hunt and some more meat in the fridge. So I'm gonna get her to the house. Alright y'all, well, we're gonna head back out to the woods this evening, and I got a little helper going with me tonight. It's your first deer hunt, ain't it? You can put some of this on. The deer don't get us, smell us.
You said get.
Yeah. Alright, turn around.
Thanks for spraying my bag.
Alright. And Daddy put a little bit on too.
Even on your boots.
Yep, on your boots, on your arms, everywhere. On your hats. Alright, you ready? So I can carry everything we need to the stand. We got peanut butter and jellies, we got water bottles, we got jackets and chairs. So I don't know how much stuff I can carry, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna take us a blind this evening. Hopefully both of us can fit in it. We're gonna see. First time hunting out of this thing, but we're gonna give it a shot. And we got the Air Force Texan 457 air rifle, and I'm gonna go give it a shot. Shot one last year with it and it done really well, so it's about the quietest thing I got right now for taking a kid with me. So we'll see if we can see anything this evening. You ready? Where'd you go? We gonna see anything? You gonna shoot one? Are you gonna shoot?
No.
No, not yet. Just want to go and see it. All right. We'll ease over here and see if we can get set up, and we'll get y'all back out when we get set up. Set up here. We're gonna try to get quiet here for a few minutes, and Lord willing something comes in, but if not, we're hunting. Ella's first hunt. You excited? You wanna shoot? No. Alright. Well, guess what? Daddy will shoot if it comes in. How's that? Alright. Well, wish us luck. We'll get you out if I see anything, but I got a DNT Zulu scope on this air rifle, so should be able to video through it if something does come in, and we'll see how good that does, but we're gonna give it a shot. You gonna grab the deer and drag it for me? No. Why not? I got a rope and a handle for you. You can drag it.
Yeah, that's fine with you. I have a rope and a handle.
Yeah, for you to use.
Thanks, Daddy.
What?
I said thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome. Let's see what we got.
this ridge over here. And it was behind this tree from me, but she said, I see something moving. And sure enough, it was a bear come off the ridge over there. It didn't look like it was too big, but didn't get a real good look at it. So, at least we seen something. So, we're still waiting on a deer though. But if it comes in, we got a tag for it if it's big enough. Might give it a shot if it comes in though. That exciting. So